Hello everybody, Richard with Camel City Roofing. Out here on a project, we've got about 180 square of shingles we're tearing off. Going to be installing the CertainTeed Landmark Pro, but I wanted to show you the benefit of a system we bought probably a year ago. It's called the Catch-All Tarp System, and got some of it up back behind us. We've had this whole project on this end covered, but I want to show you a real neat thing about this system and why it comes in so handy. So I'm going to switch the camera around and take you over. So here we are with the Catch-All Tarp System up, and as you can see, that tarp system is kind of blowing up in the air, and the reason is behind this brick wall all the AC units. So one thing this tarp system, besides protecting that AC units from all of the debris falling off the roof, is it allows them to breathe. Normally if you got just some regular old blue tarps or gray tarps, these things would be covering up those systems, and especially on a 90+ degree day, causing some issues. But as you can maybe see through and hear these things running, they can run like they want to, and we're not interfering at all with the system. So anyway, just a quick little video showing why this Catch-All Tarp System is a super handy thing, and one of the reasons why we're using it. Take care again. Richard, Camel City Roofing.